will have a special guest today who has done studies in Antarctica. And here he is, scientist William Trong.
Glad to be on the show, Brendan.
You're very welcome, William. But first, a quick word from our sponsor.
Dovahkiin, Dragonborn.
No, not in this igloo. I don't always go to Antarctica, but when I do, I examine penguins and their igloos and their common ancestors and their vestigial structures and their genetic diversity. Stay warm, my friends.
Welcome back, Bill. So, please tell me, how has your studies been doing in Antarctica?
Well, me and my team have been conducting studies that show that we've been studying other types of animals that are related to penguins, such as the meres, and that species can fly and swim underwater at a very efficient rate.
So, how does this relate to penguin species?
Well, since these animals are very similar to penguins, we believe that they are derived from a common ancestor, but the reason penguins can't fly is because these meres require a massive amount of energy, at least 30% to propel their wings and to swim underwater. But they are very similar to penguins in the fact that they can swim underwater with wings. Penguins would have to reduce their wing size or their growth rate, or they have to increase their growth to be able to fly. But we believe that penguins were once able to fly in this community.
So, you were saying, somewhere along the chain, it was more fit for the penguins and the other species to forget flying and to just walk on the ground of Antarctica?
Yes, I believe that. Because me and my colleagues have seen many animals that can be able to swim underwater. And probably penguins were once part of the mere species, which means they derived from a common ancestor. But as they grew longer, the penguins probably got separated into a place where they didn't need to fly, or it was more fit not to fly. For example, an ant would need to go into adaptation to pesticide, and that would be a very good adaptation in its environment. And we believe penguins had to do that, and they had to derive from a common ancestor. And then there are other theories of vestigial structures and evolution, but we're not getting into deep detail about that. And there's very many genetic mutations that occurred from penguins to have this.
Oh, well, I see. Well, that's all today, folks. I'll see you tomorrow for another special newscast.